Very warm good morning to my lovely students. Hope you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 7, and the name of chapter is Tenali Raman and the Horse Trader. So we are going to learn or know about this story. So let's start. Now before going to the story, what we is given, have a look. So before you read what is given, Krishnadev Raya is widely considered to be the greatest ruler of the Vijayanagara Empire in South India. So, and among his courtiers, Tenali Raman is the most popular, who was also the comic poet. Tenali Raman is known for his wit and strategy. He has been often compared to Birbal, one of the 9 gems of Emperor Akbar's court. There are many incidents in folklore where Tenali Raman helps King Krishnadeva Rai to realize his folly. Given below is an abstract of one such incident. So in this incident, or you can say in this drama, what are the characters of this drama? The characters are narrator King Krishnadev Raya, a horse trader Tenali Raman, courtiers. These are the, what you can say, characters of this drama. Now setting is like this: the court of King Krishnadev Raya in the 16th century. So what is the, you can say, setting of that drama? It's all about the court of Krishna Dev Raya in 16th century, and the king is on his throne surrounded by his courtiers. So you can say that there is an incident, what happened, it is just dramatized by this. So let's read about it. Narrator, what narrator says: King Krishnadev Raya was the most famous king of the Vijayanagara Empire. He liked horses very much and had a passion. Now, had a passion means having a strong liking for something. For that we say has a passion or had a passion for collecting horses. He was known for having the most wonderful stables in the country with the best horses. Now, what is stables? So where the horses live. You can say house for the horses is called stable. He never thought twice about the money when it came to buying the land's best and well-bred horses. One day, a horse trader who belonged to a foreign country came to King Krishnadev Raya's court. So as we know that the King Krishnadev Raya was very fond of horses. So one day what happened? A horse trader, means a person who sells horse, is called horse trader. He came to in his court. Then what happened? See, then scene 1 is there, means horse trader has come to his court. Now what's happening? Horse trader is saying, Your Majesty, I have some beautiful horses which I want to sell. They are the best Arabian steeds that you will ever get. I have brought one horse as a sample to show you it. It is my finest. If you like it, I can get more such horses for you. Then what king replied? Then Krishnadev Raya replied, Oh yes, show me the horse please. Now scene 2. Now narrator is saying the horse trader and the king went outside the palace to look at the Arabian horse brought by the trader, and then the king saw the majestic horse standing outside the palace. After that what happened? You can see that. See, this is horse trader who is standing outside with a beautiful horse. Then what happened? Krishnadev Raya said, looking at the horse thoughtfully, then he said, This is the only breed missing from my stable. Breed means, you can say, type of or category of horse. Then horse trader replied, trying to convince the king. He said that, This is the finest horse, Your Majesty. more horses such as this will surely become an asset for your stable. Then what happened after that? Have a look. Krishnadev Raya replied or said impulsively, I will buy them all. So when he said that this is the finest one and there are many like that, so he said, the king said, okay, I will buy all of them. Then horse trader said, at your service, your majesty. I only need an advance of 5,000 gold coins. I will then bring the whole group of horses in 2 days. So he said that you just give me 5,000 of gold coins in advance, then only I will bring rest of the horses in within 2 days. Then narrator explains here that the king paid him 5,000 gold coins as an advance and the trader promised to return in 2 days before leaving. Then what happened? 2 weeks have passed. Instead of 2 days, now what happened? 2 weeks have passed. There has been no news of the that horse trader. Then what happened? He hasn't come. Neither he has brought any of Arabian horses. The king is getting, you can say, increasingly impatient as well as worried. To distract himself, he decided to take a walk in his garden. Then there is scene 2. Now in scene 3. Now in scene 3 you can see that Krishnadev Raya muttering to himself. Muttering, you can say whispering. So what he is saying to himself? Where is the trader? I want those Arabian horses in my stable. Why isn't he bringing them? Suddenly he sees Tenali Raman sitting in the corner of the garden and writing on a piece of paper. So while he was, muttering and whispering these lines, he saw that Tenali Raman is sitting in the garden and writing on a piece of paper. Then what happened? Have a look. Now scene 4, where Tenali Raman is sitting at a place. Then that king, Krishnadev Raya, came to him, and then what happened? Krishnadev Raya said that, what are you writing, Tenali Raman? Tenali Raman carried on writing furiously, Teji se, without looking at the emperor. Then Krishnadev Raya, demandingly, he asked, Raman, look up. I command you to show me what you are writing at once. Then what happened? Tenali Raman said, Your Majesty, I am making a list of biggest fool of the Vijayanagar kingdom. Then Krishnadev Raya curiously said that, let me take a look. Then Tenali Raman reluctantly said, no, Your Majesty, you may not like it. Then Krishnadev Raya said that sternly, I am the Emperor Tenali Raman. I want to see the names of people in there. I am sure what you have written must be quite true. Tenali Raman hands him the paper and the king looks at the paper and is furious. Then what happened after looking on this? Then Tenali Raman calmly, Your Majesty, you gave a complete stranger 5,000 gold coins thinking that he will return. Any man who does so and expects this stranger to return is surely a fool. Then Krishnadev Raya said, oh, so this is what is bothering you. You really think the trader won't return? What if he does return? What will you do then? Then Tenali Raman replied, if he returns, I will put his name at the top of the list instead of yours. Then Krishnadev Raya, he apologized, or you can say he was in the mood of apology. He said, I understand what you are saying. Tenali, in future, I will always take major decisions sensibly. I will also consult you on the important matters of kingdom. So students, that's all about this story. So from this story, what we learned? We learned that we should not believe on strangers. Okay? So that's all for today. Now what you have to do? You have to write word meaning in your notebook. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and wishing you a great day ahead. Bye-bye. Bye.